Hey everybody, it is Matty here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Sunday. Hope your weekend has been splendid so far. Today we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin weekly price forecast. We have a lot of positive activity in terms of price action, which we'll look over here. We'll point you in the direction of a couple of analyses. We're going to take a look at that post-mortem, as I promised in yesterday's video, about EOS and Block.one, who are launching an EOS-based crypto social network. You may have heard about it by now. It's making big news here on EOSwriter.io, the social media platform voice where everyone has a voice. EOS is being covered here on altcoinbuzz.io. EOS added to Coinbase Earn. In addition to the other news, users can earn $10 worth of EOS for learning about EOSIO. Here on Coindesk.com, we're also talking about Bitcoin SV, which was a huge project in terms of performance these last few days, especially in the month of May, and it wasn't even close. We'll take a look as to why that may have been the case. On AMBCrypto.com, we'll touch on this story. HSBC, the seventh largest bank in the world, rumored to be blocking cryptocurrency transactions. Maybe they feel just a little bit threatened. Here we have an update on altcoinbuzz.io. Cryptocurrency giant Binance now supports BNB SGD and ETH SGD trading pairs. They've tweeted about this as well, courtesy of Binance Singapore. So there is a lot going on. Let's begin here on CoinGecko.com with a snapshot of the market. Total market cap up 2% over the last 24 hours. We're sitting at $278 billion. Bitcoin sitting at just over $8,700. That's up 1.7%. As you can see, EOS has fallen a bit here. I guess people tend to buy the rumor and sell the news. So even though the announcement was pretty favorable, I suppose, that's what people are saying, we're down 6.9% over the last 24 hours, but the project's still up over 21% over the last week or so. So for a Sunday and for a weekend overall, I would say things are performing relatively well. If you're interested in diving deeper into the analysis here, check out this piece on newsbtc.com. Bitcoin price weekly forecast, technical bias signaling fresh increase. Let's just take a look at the bullet points here. There was a sharp decline in Bitcoin price after it spiked above the $9,000 level against the US dollar. Of course, that became pretty significant resistance. The price declined below 8,600 support and tested the key 8,000 support area. There was a break below a major bullish trend line with support near 8,540 on the 4-hour chart of the Bitcoin US dollar pair. And the pair tested the $8,000 support area and recently bounced back above 8,400 and 8,500. You can also take a look at this newsbtc.com article. After posting best monthly close since 2017, Bitcoin may be poised for significantly further gains. So we'll let you guys check this out if you are diehards for the technical analysis here. But we more or less know the story for now. We know that $9,000 is going to be the key resistance moving forward, and we'll have to see what happens next. We're going to have to muster enough energy and momentum to get over that. Don't forget that previous resistance becomes future support. Let's switch gears now into EOS, also on newsbtc.com. And according to Bloomberg, Block.one's launching an EOS-based crypto social network. You may have heard about this by now. It's pretty big news. Over the past week, EOS has been on an absolute tear, rallying by 40% in 7 days' time, as most other crypto assets have stagnated. But why? Well, for months now, Block.one, the Cayman Islands-based company behind the protocol's development and subsequent public sale, has been touting that something big is coming on June 1st. We are now June 2nd, so let's talk about what happened on June 1st. So Block.one has been purported to be a social media network based on the EOS blockchain. Despite the fact that these rumors went unsubstantiated for a period of time, Bloomberg recently confirmed that the blockchain company is looking to rival the social media incumbents with a decentralized solution. So Bloomberg in a recent article noted that Block.one will soon be launching Voice. The venture is purported to be an EOS-based ecosystem that allows users to post, share, and promote content, with each action and interaction purportedly intended to be registered on the underlying blockchain. On the matter of why such a project is needed, Block.one's chief executive remarked, quote, "The truth is, current social media platforms are designed to use their users. It's the platform, not the user, that reaps the reward." According to a German newspaper, Handelsblatt, Voice is looking to tackle this problem, the problem of the abuse, maybe that's hyperbolic, but the invasion of user privacy. Citing, quote, Financial Insiders, the publication claimed that this new EOS-based platform will allow for users to be compensated for interacting with other voice users and will act as a competitor to both Facebook and Instagram. On the matter of data, Dan Larimer, the chief technology officer for Block.one, has claimed in the past that this platform will not collect data nor sell data to advertisers like Facebook. At the time of this piece's writing, EOS was at $8.12 a piece. But going back at the time of this recording, as we just saw previously, we're down a little bit, down just about 7% over the last 24 hours. Again, buy the rumor, sell the news. EOS is sitting at $7.69 currently. This article is from yesterday, June 1st, but check it out. It's on Bloomberg. They're covering the story. Block.one launches social media app as Facebook preps own coin. Of course, that's a reference to Global Coin, which we've discussed quite extensively on this channel. Brendan Bloomer here tweeting on Twitter, welcome to the application layer of EOS. And that brings us to this next article that he has linked to, eoswriter.io, the social media platform where everyone has a voice. On Voice, you don't need to have 1 million followers to have your voice heard. You can use your voice tokens instead. That's a quote by Dan Larimer. So my spidey sense is tingling a little bit. I think this is perhaps going to be the way it's shaping up, going to be the platform that will allow users, yes, to earn money, and it's going to be user focused, as they say. But I think their monetization, the way that they make revenue, if it's not going to be from ads, is going to be to coerce people or just to encourage people. Look, it's going to be on a voluntary basis either way, but people are going to be able to extend their influence by spending tokens, and they're going to be able to reach out to larger members of the network. That seems to be my suspicion so far based on everything that I read. That's not sneaky, that's not weaselly. Again, it's going to be a voluntary mechanism, I'm sure, but that seems to be the way things are shaping out. Let me know your hypotheses in the comments below. We are covering this story as well on altcoinbuzz.io. EOS added to Coinbase Earn. That's the other big news. Users can earn $10 worth of EOS for learning about EOS.io. Article here by Luke. Coinbase users can now earn EOS, which is the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, by simply watching content on the Coinbase Earn platform. Block.one, of course, the development company behind EOS and Coinbase, announced that users can now easily earn $10 in EOS tokens by watching videos on Coinbase Earn. So if you're interested in EOS and you want to earn free crypto, then this is your lucky day. Coinbase, of course, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, announced yesterday that they will be giving away $10 worth of EOS to users that are willing to study the EOS.io blockchain. In 2018, Coinbase initiated a project called Coinbase Earn to educate users while earning crypto. 5 educational videos of up to 3 minutes each have been made in collaboration with EOS, and after watching the videos and answering a number of questions, users can earn the $10 reward. EOS joins XLM, ZEC, BAT, and ZRX in the Earn program, which recently expanded to 103 countries. Coinbase says it has over $100 million worth of crypto available for its customers to earn through the Earn site. Let us know if that's something that you're going to be interested in. Hey, $10 is $10. That's worth about 1.5 EOS at the moment, so that's not too bad. And if it's not all that difficult to acquire, then why not? I'm sure this is going to be a successful venture. Looking now at this piece briefly on Coindesk.com, Bitcoin SV was the best performing crypto in May, and it wasn't even close. So even though Bitcoin rose 67% in the month of May from $5,265 to $8,900, there are quite a few names that overtook the big daddy of all crypto. You may be familiar with some of them: Chainlink, Dent, Bitcoin SV, of course, we're going to be talking about that in just a sec, Holochain, and Bitcoin Gold took a clear lead, rising each between 65 and 256% against their respective trading pairs with the US dollar. But now check this out. The crypto project aptly named Satoshi's Vision, Bitcoin SV, jumped a staggering 231%. Of course, many of you know, and this is a contested point, but they do claim to be the, quote, original Bitcoin. They claim to be restoring Bitcoin's first protocol while stating that it can massively scale with increased stability. So Bitcoin SV had a remarkable run during May and was the clear leader during the second half of the month after prices broke out on May 21st, bringing it back above the elusive $100 price tag. Prices peaked at about $252 according to data from Bittrex after landing itself in overbought territory and triggering a pullback, as shown by the daily RSI exceeding a value of 70. So BSV USD, that pair remains bullishly bid above a technical resistance level of $148, but a strong close below could re-expose the $90 support in the coming weeks. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin SV sits at $189.98, down just 0.6% on the day, but up over 105% on the week. Not too bad. And here's a piece that we're not going to get into, but it is worth mentioning. HSBC, the seventh largest bank in the world, is rumored to be blocking cryptocurrency transactions. This comes to us by way of ambcrypto.com. Look, it's because they're threatened. Of course it is. And quite frankly, they have reason to be. Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, the British multinational financial services giant, is purportedly engaging in blocking all transactions related to cryptocurrencies. According to cited sources, the reason behind this, quote, censorship is because virtual currencies are volatile. Is that right? Don't you know, members of the public, that we are doing this for your own good? This is a measure being taken for your own safety. We're altruistic at the end of the day. Look, there's going to come a time when it doesn't really matter what the banks do as far as the actions they choose to take or choose not to take. This is becoming more and more irrelevant, whether or not HSBC is on the bandwagon or not. Who cares? Check out the rest of this article if you're interested. HSBC has a lot to worry about, and in my opinion, that's exactly why they're affecting this action. In other news here on altcoinbuzz.io, cryptocurrency giant Binance now supports BNB, SGD, and ETH-SGD trading pairs. Article by Athenier. Top cryptocurrency exchange Binance, in a tweet, announced the addition of more trading pairs against the Singapore dollar. Check out the rest of Athenier's article for all the juicy details and information. Here is the tweet at Binance SGD. You got it. We have opened trading for BNB SGD and Ethereum SGD trading pairs on Binance.sg on the 30th of May, 2019, 5 p.m. SGT time. Let us know, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, if you are in Singapore, if you're hailing from that part of the world, and if you're going to be availing yourselves of those trading pairs and you're going to be using them on Binance Singapore. Hopefully, you can take advantage of those new offerings. And that about rounds out the news, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into our website, which is altcoinbuzz.io. If you enjoyed the positive news today, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. That way you receive notifications about our future content every time it comes out. Have a wonderful Sunday, everybody. A great tail end to your weekend. Best of luck if you do choose to invest. And of course, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.